Good day. I am Hazelle Roberts, a retired hospitality and home economist. I'm teaming up today with the Zero Hunger Trust to prepare a simple Vincy dinner using mainly locally produced ground provision, fruits and vegetables. And our chicken is from the local market. You can choose any meat, but I chose chicken because it is very popular, and normally we brown our chicken regularly. So I want to show you another way that you can make your chicken without browning using sugar. So you're going to get it brown and nice, but no sugar would be added. First, I bought my chicken, I cleaned it, chopped to suit, and I have my locally made seasonings that I bought from the shop. To it, I added a little vinegar and pepper. So I'll rub my chicken and I'll leave it to marinate for at least 20 minutes. Make sure all the chicken is covered, different parts. You can use any chicken part that you choose. Today, I chose drumstick and the thigh. So it has pepper and salt. I didn't need to add any salt to the seasoning that was bought. I will cover and let it sit for 15 minutes. Now that our chicken has marinated for over 20 minutes, I will heat my saucepan with some oil to a very high temperature. And then I will put my chicken to take color, to get a nice golden brown color. Remember, this is time consuming. You don't want to rush it. It will take some time, but it will be well worth it. You don't need to add sugar. So to my saucepan, I added 1/4 cup of oil, and I'll heat to a high temperature on a medium burner. While that is being done, we'll gather our next ingredients for our next item, which is the breadfruit lasagna. Now, we love breadfruit, and very often we eat it roasted. This is another way we can choose to eat our breadfruit. I have boiled and sliced my breadfruit in 1/4 inch thickness. So now our oil is heated, we are going to add our chicken. I did not remove the fat. The fat would be melted off as the chicken. I'm gonna turn my heat down so the chicken can take its gradual time to get its golden brown color. While my chicken is being done, we are going to begin our breadfruit lasagna. So we have some cooked, chopped vegetables. You can choose whether you want to use minced meat or whatever you want to put in there, but I want to have a vegetable lasagna. And I have my prepared lasagna sauce. You can make your own lasagna sauce using tomatoes, a wide variety of herbs, and flavor it up. And we have our greased dish to place our lasagna. We will also add a bit of cheese. That's optional too. If you have any reason that you don't want to use cheese, you don't have to. This is mozzarella and cheddar shredded. So I'm going to add my lasagna sauce to my vegetables. You can add pepper or salt to taste if you so desire. Yes, I like that. Just a bit more. Great. I've coated my vegetables with my lasagna sauce. And now I am going to lay my breadfruit into my baking dish. I'm going to layer my breadfruit just like how you would make any other lasagna in single layers. Even if the breadfruit slices get broken, no problem. We fill in the blank slots. This is a full breadfruit, but you can use a young breadfruit if you so desire. You can use banana or any other local food that you wish. Now I'm going to add a layer of my vegetables and sauce mixture. Covering the breadfruit. Then I generously add my cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Another layer of breadfruit. This time I am putting them in the across direction rather than lengthwise. Then I add my final layer of vegetables. And finally, I top it with cheese. This lasagna will take approximately 40 minutes in the oven at 300 degrees. Now we are going to put our lasagna into our oven and monitor for at least 40 minutes or until our cheese is golden brown. Our foods in it is cooked already. The breadfruit, the sauce, and the vegetables. So we'll get that done. Let's check our chicken. It should be ready. Nice and golden brown. Turn them on the other side. While our chicken is obtaining its color, we are preparing the vegetables that we will use to make the sauce. I have a tomato, half of a tomato, I have my chopped chive, celery, and sweet pepper. Let's check on our chicken. Very good, it's getting the color. I'm just turning it on the side to make sure that everywhere gets the color. We'll place our chicken in this baking pan and bake for at least 45 minutes. Now our chicken is ready, our braised chicken, partially. So we are going to remove the chicken from the pan, and we are going to use that pan to saute our vegetables with 2 cups of water and place it in the oven. Let's get our chicken. To this pan, we are going to add our vegetables. Allow them to saute. Extract the nice flavors from them. You're not going to throw away anything here. This will add flavor to your sauce. So I will return the pan to the heat. I will now add my green seasonings to be sauteed. Sweet pepper, tomato, chopped chive, and parsley. Now that our vegetable is sauteed, I will add 1 cup of water, of boiling water, to it, and we will pour on the chicken. As I said before, we are going to oven fry it. However, if you do not have an oven or you don't want to place it in the oven, you can complete the process on the cooker. It's fine. But I'm going to put mine in the oven, so I'll pour my sauce over, cover my pan, and bake. We'll bake for 45 minutes. Finally, our salad will be an arranged salad comprising of cucumber, a little tomato, lettuce, carrots, and shredded cabbage. And I also slice my tomato. First, on my platter, I will lay down my lettuce, ensuring it does not touch the outer rim of my salad dish. Let it lay flat. Place my carrots in the center. My shredded cabbage. And that's our arranged vegetable salad. Now we have completed our meal, our breadfruit lasagna, vegetable lasagna, and our braised chicken along with our vegetables. We are going to plate. This is your simple dinner. I hope you enjoy our lasagna and our braised chicken.